Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing children? Good. Children, do you all know that exercise plays a very important role in our life? So a new day should begin with some or the other exercise. So children, today before we start our lesson, let's do some small exercise. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay. Now sit down and all of you sit erect and keep your hands on your shoulders like this. Okay? See, just keep your hands like this and just move your shoulders. Just move your shoulders round and round. Okay? Now close your eyes. Rub your palm and touch your eyes. How are you feeling? Nice, isn't it? So come on. Now let's start with the lesson. Children, I'm feeling so hot. Are you not feeling hot? Yes, we all are feeling hot. And what do we do when we feel hot? We sit under the fan, we switch on the AC. And why do we do that? So that we get some cool breeze, isn't it? Now children, when we go out in the hot sun, what do we carry with us? Come, I'll show you what we carry. We carry a hat, isn't it? We also carry a sunglasses. And we also carry an umbrella. We carry all these three things so that we protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. Correct? To protect ourselves from heat, we carry all these things with us. And when we feel hot, children, we also feel very thirsty, isn't it? So what we feel like drinking? We feel like drinking plenty of water. Correct? And we also feel like drinking lots of fruit juice and nimbu pani. Correct? Yes, we all drink this, right? And we all feel like eating some cool and yummy ice cream. You all love ice cream, isn't it? Yes. And we also feel like eating some red and juicy watermelon. Correct. So, children, have you ever thought why do we feel hot? Because the sun has become very hot and it's passing its heat to us. That's why we are feeling so hot and we are feeling thirsty. What color is the sun, children? Can you all see the sun? What color is the sun? The sun is yellow in color. And what is the shape of the sun? The shape of the sun is round. So today we are going to learn how to draw a sun. I know you all are going to enjoy drawing a sun. But before that, children, let me show you some objects that are round in shape. Now look at this, children. Can you see this biscuit? You all eat biscuits, right? Yes, this biscuit is also round in shape. Now see this coin. You must have seen this coin with your mummy, papa, right? your papa must be having a coin in his wallet. Your mama must be having this type of coins in her purse. Correct? Yes. See, the coin is also round in shape. Now here, can you see this ball? Yes, the ball is also round in shape. Now here, look at the clock. The clock is also round in shape. Now look at these rings, children. You play rings, right? Yes, you play with these rings, correct? Yes, so these rings are also round in shape. So as we saw these round objects, children, the same way we have to draw a round circle. Okay? So let's start drawing a sun now. Now children, to draw a sun, we first need a plain white paper, or you can also use your plain drawing book. Okay, then we need a pencil and a eraser. Okay, now I am going to draw a circle. To draw a sun, we first need to draw a circle because the sun is round in shape. Now see how I am drawing a circle. See, I just finished drawing the circle. Okay, now I am going to draw the lines. Now on the top, I am going to draw the first line. At the same time, down I am going to draw another line, and another line on my right hand side, and on my left hand side another line. So how many lines have I drawn? 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in between these 4 lines, children, I will draw one more line. Now see, one line here, one line here, one line here and one line here. Okay, now I finished drawing the big lines. I will now draw the small lines. Now small lines I will be drawing in between these big lines. So let's start from here. One small line here, one small line here, one here, one here, one here, one here and the last one here. Okay, now I just finished drawing the sun. Now which color should I give the sun, children? Which color is the sun? The sun is yellow in color. So I have yellow color here. So I am going to now start coloring the sun. So children, when you are coloring, you have to color the circle very slowly and neatly. Make sure the color does not go outside the circle. See, I am not letting the color go outside the circle. See, I almost finished coloring the circle. Okay, now I'm going to trace on the lines because we have already drawn the lines with the pencil. So I'm just going to trace on those lines. See, this way we are just going to trace on these lines. See, I just finished tracing the lines also. See, now our sun is ready. Isn't it looking nice and beautiful, children? Yes, so now our sun is ready to shine in the sky. Okay, so you all can practice drawing this sun at home. Okay, now children, if you're not able to draw a proper circle, you can use any round object and draw a circle. Okay, but children, also remember, slowly and gradually you need to practice drawing a circle without the help of any object. Okay children, thank you so much. Bye bye and see you all very soon.